Get ready for your Dahua Partner journey. Upon your first discover, a wealth of information about Dahua is here for you. Upon your first exploration, quickly access nearby Dahua services through Service Map. New to Dahua product, we can help you compare and select interested product. Unlocking possibilities with every choice you make. SMB solution is ready for you. Got any question? How to get you to the answer? With every product scanning you perform, we give our wholehearted support. With every project registration you make, we provide our utmost attention. Community enables you to share with friends around the world. Dahua Club helps you find like-minded partners. With Refer Friends, move forward hand in hand from I to we. From virtual points to real benefits, every bit of your participation improves your membership level. Plenty of surprises are always waiting for you in promotions. What else can we do? Toolkits integrate resources and enable quick installation. Config tool intelligently sets up your devices. Dueling Care keeps an eye on your devices together with you. Generate your personalized quotation anytime and anywhere. We resolve your concerns with the best RMA service. Unleash growth together with Dahua Partner App every step of your way.